How to make only my friends can see my inventory on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your inventory on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down, click settings and then click privacy and go down here and you will find this one who can see my inventory. Click on it and then click friends, and now only your friends can see your inventory on Roblox mobile. And just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.